Hey guys, it's Friday. We made it a week, and we're going to start with adding to our figurative language notes from earlier this week when we talked about simile. So hopefully you can find those real quick and pull them out so we can add to it. So we've talked about similes, how it compares to unrelated things with an element that's shared using like or as. And we had a couple examples. We're going to move on to metaphor today. So metaphor is also comparing two things, but this time there is no like or as. Okay, so it is just simply it is or it was. Okay, no using like or as, still comparing two things. So our example today is the calm lake was a mirror. Okay, it wasn't like a mirror, it just was a mirror. So that's a metaphor because obviously a lake can't really be a mirror exactly. Okay, so that's it for our figurative language today, and let's jump in to our last day of our Webquest. Day 5, you guys have done an amazing job. Last day with it. We've focused on World War II in Denmark and other places, the Holocaust, what it was like. So today we're going to look at what was life like in our country during World War II. Okay, so we're going to start with website 1 as always, and we'll walk you through this one. Okay, as I've done with all the rest, I've tried to make sure that these are in the order that we'll come across them. Okay, website 1 does have a lot of information, but I'm going to be honest, our first 4 questions can all be answered in this first paragraph. Okay? First 4 questions can all be answered in that first paragraph. And then the last question is actually right after it in that second paragraph. Okay? So again, lots of good information in the website, but our answers are coming right at the beginning here. Okay? So that is website 1. Website 2 is, I'm not going to lie, I love this website. It's one of my favorites. There are just lots of different posters that were around our country. And the questions are going to go over just a couple of them, not all of them. So I believe we're definitely using the patriotism one. This is one of them. One of the questions is about share the meat. And then, I don't know, the Red Cross. This is the Red Cross one. You can see that, American Red Cross. Okay, so that's this website. Okay, so yeah, good luck with that. And if you've got time to go back later, you can look at the other posters. I might have missed one. Oh, air raid. That was the last one for our questions. Okay. So there you go. There is website 2. Website 3 is going to be looking at women in World War II. And so you have to make sure you click the start button to begin. Okay. The overview here is kind of gives us a lot of information. And I believe our first couple questions come in this overview. Okay, it is a little bit lengthy. Then you're going to click next, and our next question we're looking for is something about the Great Depression, and it happens to be on this page. You can see that it is an underlined question or underlined words, so click on it, gives you more information there. Okay, so that is that one. And then I believe our next question talks about deloused. Again, that's in quotation marks, just like Great Depression was. So I'm going to be looking for a link, so an underlined blue word. They're good information, but I want to help you guys out. It's none of those. I'm going to click next again. Going to work, it's not in that one. War Comes Home is where we're going to find deloused. Again, click on deloused, and that will get you your answer for that one, okay? And then our last question is actually going to be in one of the Think About It's. And I think it's in this one right there, okay? So just to help you out, once you get to the daily life, that's the last question is in this section. Again, lots of really good information, but trying to help you guys out, make it go a little bit faster for you, okay? So that is day 5, and we are done with our Webquest. We'll be getting more information about World War II next week before we start our book. Again, guys, keep those questions coming, trying to get to them as quickly as I can. Let me know if I can help you in any way. I miss you, and I will talk to you guys on Monday. Bye.